If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up, because your girl is back with another video. So I'm back with another video. Actually, a makeup tutorial. A get ready with me makeup tutorial. I haven't did it in a minute. Because I haven't did like a beat, like in a minute. Like a serious beat and recorded it. So I'm super excited to be back on track. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to let me know in the description, not the description box, in the comment section below what else y'all want to see from me. And also the description box, all the products will be in the description box below, so go check it out. So don't be commenting, oh, what is this, what is that you was using. Everything is in the description box right there. Bada bing, bada boom. But I love y'all. P. Lewis base in the shade 0.5, and we blend that out, and then I go in my Morphe palette, and it's time to do our transition shades. So I didn't really know what look I was going for, but I know I wanted some browns. The brush I'm using is the Morphe E22 brush. So now I'm going to be using my fluffy brush just to blend out that brown and some lighter browns to blend out the dark brown. I don't remember what brush that is, but I got it from a beauty event and it's bomb. Like, now we're going to go into eyelids, and I'm going to be using my product from Queen K Hollywood Cosmetics, and it's in the shade 1, number 1. And I was feeling like glittery and pop. I wanted to pop. So now we're going to go into a darker brown. I know I'm talking fast, y'all, but I'm going pretty fast. A darker brown in the crease, just to really give it a, like, I don't know, I feel like these dark browns is giving sexy vibes, okay? Now we're going to do eyeliner, and I'm using the NYX liner. I love the NYX liquid liner. It is the best. I've been using it for years. Aaliyah J put me on, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna be putting mascara on my lids. That's my favorite mascara. Everything will be in the description box below, but I love this mascara. And now I'm gonna be blending on my foundation. It's time to conceal with my 2 favorite concealers. And a little tip, when I put the LA Pro Girl concealer, I let it sit for like 2-3 minutes. And I also put the Tarte Shape tape on top because it is a little light, so I never use it by itself. But let it sit a little bit just to give that extra coverage. I'm going to be using another color for my cosmetic line in the number 6 called Queen K Hollywood. This is my signature highlight. Like, I love this color. This color is me. Like, y'all see that? Y'all can literally see this highlight from miles away. Miles. So I'm going to put it in the inner corners of my eyes and also my brow bone. And you can also use it as a body glitter too. You can literally like mix it with an oil and rub it all over your body so that you're glowing. Okay, glowing. So this is the finished look. I'm gonna insert some pictures right here so you can see the whole fit. So my hair is done. I did a little mini fast tutorial on TikTok, so go check it out. My TikTok is Queen K Hollywood. And y'all, new color. How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling? This color's alright though. I think next I'm gonna do red. What y'all think about red? Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. And I got some more videos coming for y'all. I love y'all. Bye.